Yes, save long live, long live, long live. Yes, save long live, long live, long live. Yes, save ni hot delay. Keep the house in summer. Yes, save ni hot delay. Keep the house in summer. Na ga third, na fan, na share. Na kasuna. Kasuna, kasuna. Long live, yes, save long live, long live, long live. Keep the house in summer. Leg it, leg it, leg it, leg it, leg it. Kasunay, kasunay. Yes, long live, long live, long live. Yes, long live, long live, long live. Repeal makanya, makanya, makanya. Natin Gosia, 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 Gosia. Dipra comment high, 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 high. Comment high, 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 high. Comment high, 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 high. Sakap kulitok manin sabab maranay, marinay, marinay. Sakap kulitok manin sabab maranay, marinay, marinay. Sakap kulitok manin sabab maranay, marinay, marinay. January, January, January. Yes, long live, long live, long live. Yes, long live, long live, long live. Yes, long live, long live, long live.
As students, you must have some vision, some mission also. And you must understand you are our future. So we have been fighting over the last more than 56, 57 years. Now the turn will come to our next generation. Therefore, I feel very proud that today, in commemorating the tragedy which had occurred last 8 January 2019, in which about 6 our young students were shot. Fortunately, by the grace of God, they escaped from death. So we're happy that today we are observing the tragedy, and we have new hope and new days to come, that we cannot succumb on any situation, on any action taken against us. So we continue our fight and movement. We were protesting against the CAB. It's not it? Citizenship Amendment Bill. So at that very point of time, we are all came together. Till today we are together, and I wish all the students our future. And here we have some honorable EM also, ex-MLA, EM, MLA and MDCs, those who have come here, and they are joining us here till the end of the program. And in some other places also people are organizing the same events. So today, I feel very bad to be part away. Otherwise, I could have been from the right beginning till the end. But my blessing to you and your future, because this new year, 2024, you must have new vision. What is new vision? What is new idea? So you must stand and stand united so that we can obviously fight